How to start a small business in Uganda. A small business is any business with few employees. There has been a rise in the number of people starting small businesses in Uganda today. If you too are inspired to join the growing multitude of entrepreneurs and are wondering what has to be done to start a small business in Uganda, this video is yours. Now let's dive in. 1. Carry out market research. Market research is the process of gathering information about your business buyers' personas, target audience, and customers to determine how viable and successful your product or service would be, and or is, among these people. As you start any business, you need to be clear about what you are going to sell, who you are selling to, where you are going to sell from, and how much you are going to sell. All this data is collected when carrying out market research. 2. Write a business plan. After completing your market research, you need to write a plan of how you will start your small business. This plan is what we call a business plan. Your business plan should have details of how you will start your business, from raising capital to getting employees, to stocking your business. It will act as a blueprint for your business. 3. Raise fundings. Step number 3 in starting a small business in Uganda is raising capital. You need capital to start your small business. There are different ways how you can raise capital to start a small business in Uganda, and they include: use personal savings, ask friends and family, get a bank loan, get money from investors. The capital required to start a small business in Uganda is 3 million Uganda shillings to 20 meters Uganda shillings, depending on the type of small business you are starting. 4. Find a suitable business location. The success of most businesses is highly determined by the location of those small businesses. You need to think about the place where your business will be located. Your business location is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Whether you're setting up a brick-and-mortar business or launching an online store, the choices you make will affect your taxes, legal requirements, and revenue. It is best to locate your business where it will be easily found, because the more customers see your business, the more likely they will buy from you. 5. Register your business. Registered businesses are the only legally recognized business in Uganda. Should any government program come up, like government grants for businesses, they will go to the legally registered business, and those are the registered businesses. In registering your business, you need to choose a business name that is not already taken by other businesses and make it legally yours by registering it. 6. Get a trading license. In order to operate your business legally without interference from the government, you need to get a license to conduct your business. The state of Uganda offers a grace period of a year to all new small businesses. You need to use this grace period to raise money to pay for your license. The location of your business determines your tax, that is, businesses in cities and towns pay more tax than those in villages. 7. Start your business. The 7th step is to open your business to customers. may make a grand opening for your business so that people may get to know it, or you can start small. In starting a small business, you don't need to stress yourself so much. Start with what you have, and let your business grow. Don't do what most people do, which is wait. It is a time waster to wait. Use the money you currently have, whether it is little. 8. Promote your business. Much as this is not required in starting a small business in Uganda, you need to promote your business to your customers sooner or later. You can do this through adverts on the radio, TV, paper, and also social media. By promoting your business, you must have a group of people whom you are targeting. So you need to get the best method to reach your targeted customers at a cheap price. If you are low on income to invest in advertisements, utilize social media platforms, majorly Facebook and Instagram. Your turn. What have you learned from the small business ideas in Uganda? What idea has caught you most? Talk to us in the comments section below.